Welcome to my YouTube channel Creation Aid. In the last video we have seen how to create a custom activity indicator especially for iOS platform. Now we are going to check same way how to create in Android platform. So we have seen how to use the renderer in the iOS platform. Now same way we are going to use in Android. So what I'm going to do is I will just add the platform specific render class. I'm going to add a new class. Can give a activity indicator Android class name. Add it. And same way the interface we are going to implement over there. Okay, using this we need to implement all the method. Okay, so let me copy again. We have to say the assembly that it's no need to call by the dependency service based on this interface call. Okay, now we are going to implement same way. Let's have this method. We can copy, we can copy over here. Same way we can call from here, like if initialization is there, then don't, I need to copy this too as well. This is a UI view. We need to have an Android view, android.views.view. Okay, that's all. Now we have to have a Android over here because we need to call the Android platform specific render factory for Xamarin form. This should be a view. Okay, now here what happened, we just need to create the layout and other stuff. Let me go here. Okay, other things, we have others extra things, and we have to create a dialog as well. Dialog. Okay, now I'll come here. We need to set the layout and other stuff as well. So what we're going to do is, when we are going to create a renderer, we need to pass the context as well. So what we are going to do, context activity, this variable, this is not there in Android, so with context we are creating. So what happened, if you go there, I have just declare one main activity type, that is a context activity, and I have assigned here. So same thing I'm calling here, so easily you can maintain the context. Otherwise here you can take from Android main context as well directly. Okay, but I'm going in this way right now because that time sometimes that can create a problem, so I'm taking directly the main context whatever we have started. Okay, now what we're going to do is this, we have created native view now. Okay, now we have to create a dialog. new dialog with the same context, whatever we are going to use, main activity dot context activity. Now we are going to set some basic scenario for this dialog. Dialog window should have no title, so we'll make it that. Request window features. Okay, window FAT window features. Let me take the namespace dot no title. I'll just cast it. And okay, so we are saying the window we are displaying, it should have no title, and also we are setting it is not cancelable, so that user cannot tap the device back button or any other back button. We are making it false. We are also now setting the context view for this. What is the renderer view we have created? Native view. Okay, so that's all we have set that view. Now we have to set the layout. Okay, we'll take the dialog window, will set layout. Okay, we'll match it with the parents. If you want different to size, you can put it over here, but right now as is a whole window will be showing, so we will just made it the parent match layout parameter dot match parents. For height also we'll just do the same. Okay, now we'll set the background. Dialog dot set window dot set background drawable. What we're going to do is we are putting the transferable color here, color drawable. This should be under graphics, rendered graphics. Okay, now we are putting the color transparent. Okay, what it says. Okay, we'll use Android one, Android graphics color dot transparent. Okay, and we also will say in background should be dim, or how it should be set clear flag. Clear, sorry, it should be clear flag. Window flag, we are putting dim behind. That's all. So what we have done is we have passed the content page from the Xamarin main project, common project. We have taken the Android platform renderer factory to render native view, and then we are creating the dialogues, and we are setting it is not cancelable. We are setting the dialog view with that native view whatever we have rendered, and we are setting the window matching with the parent size. setting the background transparent. That's all. Now in that closing we have to say dialog height. This is a method. Okay, and that's all. Now what we have to do is we have to show the dialog. That's all. See, you can see so easily we have created the custom control and so flexible. Activity indicator, anywhere you can use it, anything, any image, any text you can pass it. Okay, now let's run in the simulator. No, I'll run in the device. So let's see how it looks. So and then after this we'll see how we can bind it with a different grid and different style, so that we can when we are passing the calling this indicator, we can say which grid to display and which not to display based on your pages and the requirement and the scenario and different projects. So it is so flexible, you can use in different project, different space. So it's run over here. Now you can see this indicator is showing up. So if you see, if we press the back, it will not stop. Okay, it will not close. See, so now we are going to bind it. Okay, so here for you will not take much time for videos. So already I have created two bindable property. You already know how to create a bindable property. So I have created one visible 1 and visible 2. So what I'll do, one grid I have binded with visible 1. Next I'm going to create another grid. So this should be visible 2. I'm saying displaying grid 2. Okay, so that's all from here. And if you go in back code behind, I am just saying binding context is equal to this, because I didn't bind any view model here. If you have any complicated indicator where user will have the kind of user interaction, entry field and other stuff, button, command and all this, then you can bind this binding context for this indicator as that view model, and you can use the command over there using that command method, whatever we have in it, MVVM design pattern. Now let's have a look how it works. When we are calling, we will just call, I made it visible 1 true. Now I want this 2 second grid should display, so I'm just making it second grid should is equal to true when I'm calling the open indicator. So now this grid should display displaying the second grid should not, first grid should not display. So let's have a look. So you can see displaying the grid 2. Okay, so you can see so easily we can change and customize based on our requirement. That's all for activity indicator, friends. If you like this video, please subscribe so that next video immediately you will get it notification. And next time we are going to learn about the rounding effect for any control. Whenever we need, like for example, only two corner we need rounded, other two we don't need. so we can easily make it with again a very customized way. So that we're going to learn in the next video. Thank you.